Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video of LeetCode playlist, and today we are going to solve LeetCode problem number 169, which is called a majority element. So basically in this problem we have given an array like this nums equals to 3, 2 and 3, and we have to find the majority elements in this array. And the majority elements we can see the 3, and in second example we can see the majority element is 2 because 2 is repeated 4 times and 1 is repeated only 3 times. Okay, so basically in this solution, first of all we use the unordered map named mp. So first of all we create unordered map unordered map in, in integer format, right? Named map. Okay, after that we first use for loop transverse the nums vector. Okay, so in value transverse the num. So in this for loop, we'll increment the map dot means np dot np of value plus plus. Okay, so basically this is the we increase the hash map. After all the frequencies are counted, the variable frequency is set to nums dot size divided by 2. Okay, so let's implement int frequency equals to nums dot size divided by 2. Okay, so this represents the thresholds that a majority element must exceed. Okay. Next, in the second loop, we use second for loop with the auto. Okay, auto and shift and key. Okay, and we run the if condition inside this for loop, which is it dot second is greater than frequency. Then return it dot first. Yes, and at the end we will return minus 1. So this approach will give us a majority element. Okay, so let's check this code. You can see here both the test cases are passed successfully. Thank you.